Are you ready to learn together?
CoComelon Classroom!
Oh, hi. I see you. I'm your teacher. My name is Miss Appleberry. Appleberry. I was just putting these toys away to tidy up. There. All done. Oh, no. I think there's a hole in this box. There is a hole in this box. Here, let's use this one. Oh, did you hear that sound? That sound surprised me. Did it surprise you? Do you want to hear the ball squeak one more time? Did you hear that sound? I heard a different sound. I heard a rough sound. I wonder where that sound could be coming from. I think I hear our sound. It's coming from inside the melon learning box. I wonder what it could be. Shall we look inside and see what we find?
What's inside?
What's inside?
What's inside?
What could it be?
What's inside? The melon learning box.
Let's look and see. This was making that rough sound. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you some clues. This is an animal that has 4 paws, and it wags its tail. It also loves to play with squeaky balls like this one.
I know what it is, Miss Appleberry.
I hear one of my students. It's JJ.
Hey!
Hi, JJ. JJ, would you like to guess what's inside?
Yes, I think it's a dog.
JJ, you're right. It is a dog. It's a toy dog. Ruff, ruff.
Aw, it looks just like my pet dog, Bingo.
Aw, hello, Bingo.
I think Bingo would like to play with the squeaky ball, Miss Appleberry.
I think you're right.
Bingo was surprised to hear the ball squeak.
Surprised. Yes, JJ, Bingo was surprised. Surprised is such a big word.
I can be a doggy.
Would you like to pretend to play dogs with us too? Come on. Doggies use their nose to sniff the air. Can you use your doggy nose to sniff the air? When I'm happy, I smile big, just like this. But dogs, they wag their tail when they're happy.
Wag, wag.
Good tail wagging, JJ. Oh, I think Bingo just saw his tail. And when dogs are feeling playful, they chase their tail round and round. Would you like the squeaky ball? Yeah? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. We love Bingo the dog. When I say the word dog, the first sound I hear is the D sound. D, dog. Dog begins with the letter D. D. D, dog. Dog begins with a sound D. D, 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 dog.
Miss Appleberry.
Yes, JJ.
Dog.
Good job. Dog. Would you like to sing a song about a dog?
Yes. Can we please sing the Bingo song?
That's a great idea. First, let's practice singing the words slowly. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
There was a dog who had a
Bo!
Good. And Bingo was his?
Nemo?
Great. B-I,
N-G-O.
B-I,
N-G-O.
B-I.
N-G-O.
And Bingo was his?
Nemo!
Good job. Bingo says we're ready to sing. Okay, you ready?
Ready, Miss Appleberry?
There was a dog who had a ball, and Bingo was his name-o. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o.
Now, let's add some rough ruffs. Are you ready?
Yeah, ruff, ruff.
There was a dog who had a ball, and Bingo was his name-o. B-I-N-G, ruff, B-I-N-G, ruff, B-I-N-G, ruff, and Bingo was his name-o.
Now, let's add some squeaks and some ruffs. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
There was a dog who had a ball, and Bingo was his name-o. B-I-N-G, B-I-N-G, ruff, B-I-N-G, and Bingo was his name-o.
Yay! I love singing that song.
Oh, me too. Oh, did you hear that sound? That's the school bell, which tells us it's time to go home for today. Bingo is very tired and he's ready for his nap.
Oh, but I can't wait to see you again. Thank you so much for learning with me today.
I had so much fun playing and learning with you.
Goodbye, goodbye, bye-bye, to our CoComelon Classroom. Goodbye, goodbye, bye-bye, bye.
Whee!
Goodbye, goodbye, bye-bye.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.